So here's something I discovered that was interesting. My belt had stripped basically from the pulleys and these things here that turns the alternator, and here is the remains of the stripped belt. So it's unraveled basically. I don't know what happens to the other ends, but I had basically went to the auto stores and I bought some belts. I went to 2 auto stores because I wasn't sure, 100% sure, if the belt I was getting was the right size. So basically, here's one made by Continental and here's one made by DriveWorks. One was at Advanced Auto Parts and the other was at AutoZone. Basically, I'm not sure which one is going to fit better. Apparently, I sized them up though. These two here are the same size. This is the 450 K6 and the 4060 450. 4060 450 multi 5. It says 6 PK 1145. I think it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grooves. And this is the remains of the old ones. And it's I lined it up here to see if it's the same diameter or the same size and length. And apparently it's the same size, so that's good that this is intact, because I had one that had been half a piece and I wasn't sure if any of the other length of the rubber part was removed or torn off. So now that I know this is the right size, because I have here a whole piece that was unraveling off the pulley system, the serpentine belt system. So it's the same size as this one and that one. So apparently these two are the same. I can either use this one or this one, either the DriveWorks or the Continental, either one. They seem to be, as far as quality, they seem to be about the same quality. So what happened is when I removed the unraveling part of it was stuck in here in the fan shroud area. So as you could see down here, the fan is connected to one of the pulleys here, to the fan belt driver or fan motor. So I thought, oh my god, I have to remove the fan, but then I thought, okay, it's empty on this side and not empty on that side. So I had to kind of swivel or wiggle the belt on to the front part of the fan, where it was there was a space where I can just pull it, and that's how I'm going to reinsert the new belt in there. So as you can see, I have my reservoir to the side. I think I have enough space. There's a possibility that I may have to move this radiator hose, but hopefully I can. I don't have to. This is called over here the lock, the belt, serpentine belt tensioner bolt and lock. So I think I have to unscrew this bolt right here and then start unscrewing this tensioner here right there, which will open up or loosen up or tighten up the serpentine belt system.